got NOS Energy brought the big rig out. It's freaking sick. So we have a very premium setup and display. This is the Altima lot. We're gonna be doing demos out here for the whole week. And what's cool is this is the South Hall. So like this is like where like all this trailer's not gonna be here obviously. But so we are like front and center. It's a beautiful view right now with this gorgeous silver trailer. We're gonna move that over here to the far end. So it's got NOS placement right out front next to our sweet SEMA trucks. Sick. Also the re-debut, if you will, of the Ultimaniac. It has brand new motor, fresh all throughout, and the boys are going through, they cleaned up the whole body, and of course, as you can see, we have the Sunoco livery, which is so sick. So we've been working with Sunoco a little off and on, as in they were the sponsor that helped get me into the rush cars via Rapscallion. So Rapscallion is the team that runs the cars. Sunoco was the sponsor of Rapscallion that got the cars to the track, and then they put me in the car. I threw the idea at them to have the Ultimaniac out at SEMA with the livery on there and bringing Sunoco onto the drift side of things. Obviously they are in drift, but into our drift side of the program. And we're actually gonna have our boy Nate Hamilton driving the car. Super sick. So I'm gonna be driving the Z. Jackson's gonna be helping me fill in with the Optima M. So I'm gonna be doing double duty in the cars, have all three on track. Jackson's gonna be jumping in there. And we're gonna have Hamilton, the littlest guy in the biggest car. We are ripping. So this is day one, demo one. We have my boy driving. So this is sick. This is Nate's first time out here in the Optima demo, and we brought out 3 cars this year. And so of course we have the Optima M with the red rocker. Getting ready to rip it. So it is time to party.
Obviously in the beginning I was a little bit like not nervous, but just like, all right, let's hope I can pull this off, you know. And then by the second outing I was like, ooh, I'm pretty good. By the third outing I was tandeming with Chris, so like that was so fun. I felt ready to ride a wall. Yeah, like I was like,
it's a good car.
It's such a good car, Chris. Thank you so much.
No problem, man. It's like as long as the car is good, driver good, runs good.
Absolutely, absolutely.
We put new lower control arms on it, and the stops aren't set correctly, so it's dragging on the tie rod. So we're gonna just fix that real quick. Things are going good, right? Infinity is ripping. We're just doing a little bit of maintenance checking on it, making sure that we don't have any further issues with the steering. It's got new steering kit from Part Shop Max, and the stops need to be pushed out a little bit because we're getting some rubbish. Outside of that, everything's going great. Nate's absolutely killing it in the Nissan Ultimaniac, but the new Sunoco livery, freaking love it. It's by far the coolest livery. It's the best one that this car's had. I really like what we've been doing lately, just having like the big branding and big, bold color marking, right? Same thing with the Infinity. and not just really littering the cars up with a bunch of stickers and crazy designs and stuff like that. So we've been going after this like very clean, like I said, bold colors, a little bit of stripage to kind of connect the dots, and then just nice clean branding, you know, so it just kind of has that like old school race car look to it versus, you know, some of the styles that have been taken over recently where they're just really littered up. But otherwise, everything's going good. How about you, dog?
Man, I'm good. How
Yeah?
are you doing?
I haven't seen you out there. Is the car okay?
Cup of coffee.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of that. One of those weeks.
No, I don't go out until 2:30.
Okay. I thought you were running with us, but
No.
we got
When do you
two
go
different
out?
sessions. We got 3:30.
Yeah, 2:30 to 3:30.
Okay. Well, it's probably best that we split the taxis up.
Yeah, there you go.
The first session we had all 3 taxis in.
No people
and
in line.
There was no people in the line. We just chewed right through it. So yeah, they booted Tanner to another group so that he can help them get through the line. But otherwise, we're gonna do a little interview. You guys will be able to catch that one in a few days. Okay.
I'm
You like
ready.
roller coasters?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
We got you set up with the best in the business, so you'll be all right.
I drive fast. I just don't go left or right.
There you go. You're good. You're good.
How was that?
Pretty freaking sick, huh?
Bro, that was insane.
Hell yeah, man. Thank
That's
you. Thank you.
badass, bro. Bro,
Pretty sick, right?
when you
I'm never saying I can drive again.
bro, when you came towards the wall, I was like, bro, they're coming in hot.
No,
Like,
you can feel it in
Yeah.
the car, bro. Like, you got all the control.
Bro.
Just chilling.
It's hooked up.
bro, I think I can do that on Forza and stuff like that, but
Hey, it's a start.
yeah,
I got it on my race simulator.
No.
I was in the Altima thing, and I couldn't see a thing, and the whole entire time I'm just thinking, if I can't see a thing, Nate can't see shit. And it was fun. It was fun. Every time I go in that car, I've never been in the back seat. I've only ever been in the front seat. The back seat's way better than the front seat.
My headlights were not working, which is no big deal, but it was just smoky, and after a few laps, you're just in smoke. That was gnarly, but that was cool. I think we did some sort of a good show.
Oh, we did.
Yeah, dude.
100%. No, we're doing some burnouts.
But I was thinking, like, if I don't have to do the 745, I may try to get out of it.
Yeah.
If we can get the headlights to work, cool, but if not, we just opened up for the Goo Goo Dolls. They did their industry night, if you will. So we just burned some tires, did some tandem. I remember when Chris called me for this gig, he said, hey man, be nice and easy, no tandem. Here we are in the middle of the night tandeming, and that was gnarly. Very hard to see, and my adrenaline is up right now. So